Okay, install update. This is cool. Then we can go to 32. Hey Vidit, you are quick. Welcome, man. Welcome to the stream. Just setting things up. Give me maybe a minute. Hey, hi. How are you? Then we can move this thing here. Let's close it off. Even this we can remove. By the way, today I want to talk about this new thing which I started using, which is called ZAI. It's a GLM 4.6 by Z.ai. To be honest, I didn't even know that there is a company named ZAI which is working on their own LLM. I believe this is also a Chinese LLM, and the 4.6 version is getting praise in the community a lot. I saw this Theo's video as well. People are comparing it with Claude 4.5, and I was like, really? Let's test it out. So what I did was I have added this in my Claude code, like similarly as you have this Kimi K2. Similarly, you can use GLM 4.6 too. So there is GLM 4.6 Claude. This one. Wait. Claude code. Using GLM 4.0 Claude code. Yeah, this one. So if you have to just create like enter their dashboard, buy some credits. I have bought like $10 of credits. Maybe I can show you rate limits, language concurrency limits are there. Then there are API keys. Then there is billing. Oh, they are not showing the usage. They are. So today I have been using it extensively on a very big project, and it helped me create a very nice service which is currently working for me. So what I have done is I have created a service which is called URL to R2, and using this service I can pass any internet video URL as a source URL, and it will be uploaded to a Cloudflare bucket using whatever destination path I provide. Why I'm doing this is because I want to add a feature on most of my AI apps, because whenever you get these delivery URLs, right? For example, this one. Now Replicate will remove, or even if I'm using FAL AI or any other LLM provider or AI provider, they give you this media data like image and video, but they remove it after a while, like maybe 1 hour, because they do not want to keep that data forever on their server, because that's an extra cost to them. So they remove it in 1 hour. Now it's your responsibility as an app developer that you, meanwhile in that 1 hour, you store it somewhere. And for me, that somewhere is Cloudflare. And to make things super simple without interfering with any database or anything, I thought I'll just make a Cloudflare worker which will take the replicate URL and just change the external. Like for example, this is the external URL, right? This is the like the recipe of the media file, except for the host name, which is replicate.delivery. And then you click it, it uploads to my bucket, and I get this URL, which is the URL of the my open bucket, and you can use it. So this is a very simple worker built on Node.js. It's working, it's live. I'm pretty happy. And this all was possible because of this new model. GLM 4.6 with $2. With it, what are you building today? With it, I'm thinking to extend my like AI sidekick proxy to have this kind of API. I have already done a lot of work on this, but then I'm thinking this would be like a thing where I need to spend too much time, and I have to be like focused. I cannot just talk, chat, and do this. So better is I focus on it tomorrow then. Today we can do two things. One is we can continue on the SDK which I'm building, the DevJet SDK, or the second thing is I'm thinking of making a couple of like screenshots for my app, and I am like getting inspiration from this Pinterest board where it is. Did I close it? Yeah. So I'm taking some inspirations from some background images. I'm thinking, should I use these for my screenshots? What do you guys think? Should we design something or should we code something? Let's run a poll. A very quick poll. 5 votes would decide. Should we code or design? Code, design. Just 5 votes, guys. And the fate of this stream will be decided. Legend, hi everyone. Hi Legend, how are you, man? Welcome to the stream. Platman, hi Platman. Long time. I think I remember you. You used to come here. Hind, hello. Hey Hind. Harshit, hello. Are you back? Vivek, bro, did you see the new AI model by UAE K2 Thinking AI? What is UAE K2? UAE K2 Thinking? Man, I don't even know about this. What is this? Mohammed bin Zayed University of Artificial Intelligence has created K2 Think. What is this? The world's most advanced open source reasoning model. Thank you for sharing this, Vivek. I didn't know about it at all. Today only I started using this GLM, which was by ZAI, GLM 4.6. Apparently they had this Z 4.5, which was still high ranking. But is it out? The KLM UAE K2 Think? This model from UAE claims to be the fastest open source introducing K2. 3 weeks ago, introducing K2, okay. A breakthrough by G4 to AI K2 Think. Arrived where? Is it an open router? K2 Think. It's not on open router. So maybe it's like still they are marketing it. That #1 and all. It's still not out. Oh, it's available now. Shit. They're saying it's available now. Link in bio. Which means this one. Maybe this is not the website. Then what is? Then there is another one. K2 Think. Okay, K2 Think AI is here. Oh, my eyes. Guys, do they have a dark mode? I doubt. 5 messages left. So they are giving you 5 messages. They are not available anywhere else. Now what is the... How to test it? How many hours in strawberry? How many hours there are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh wow, it did say 5. So the first test is passed, which used to be failed 4-5 months back. Now every model is pretty good at it, but the speed was so quick. It was like 2000 tokens per second. This is crazy speed. I'm trying it now. Cool. Yeah, let's do this. Let's try this then. So how many? 5 votes. 80% are saying let's design. Cool guys. 5 votes. Fate is decided. We will be designing. I'm trying it now. I'm building new app tech stack, Flutter, backend, Lambda, API gateway, DynamoDB, serverless S3, auto deployment. Awesome, Platman. What is the app about? You're building in Flutter. Nice, nice. I hope you also do not hate me for my Flutter video. There has been a lot of hate on that video from Flutter devs. Okay, what? How should we test it? Okay, let's test it. Create a single HTML page. Use Tailwind CDN URL on top of it. Create a very nice modern looking dashboard, which is an observability dashboard for a server system's data. Like it shows the CPU, the memory, the request per second in nice graphs. Use Tailwind to design it in a way which looks more modern, dark theme, and use gradients where possible, graphs where possible, and also show how many requests are in queue, how many workers are working, how many containers are active. So it's just a single page dashboard which shows everything what's happening in our backend. Also use as much dummy data as possible to show this in this HTML page, but make sure you only use one single HTML file which I can copy paste and test it out. Let's see what the hype is all about. I mean, guys, this is already a bit quicker than we thought, but to be on the safe side, let's also see how our GLM is doing on it. Let's do a deep think. So we will side by side can see how they are working. So one thing is like GLM is showing you what it is thinking. I like the design aesthetic of the GLM 4.6. It's better than any other. Copy, paste. But the speed was a bit more quicker than I expected on this K2. We'll say dashboard K2 dot in HTML. Okay, let's see how it is. Desktop dashboard K2. What the hell, man? What is this? What is this? What the hell? Okay, let GLM finish. Hind, so try today, had a tree plantation session today in college. 150 trees planted by me and my team. Awesome. That's a great work, Hind. Preview. I mean, guys, is there any competition here? Is there any competition here? Like, I mean, fuck. GLM. No competition. What is this K2 crap? This is what it created. I like that it's just changing data randomly, but accept that and see what GLM has done. I mean, I'm going to use this for my server's observability. Oh man, this is crazy. Active workers 10, healthy, request in queue 37, last updated, CPU usage. This is crazy, man. Web server, worker queue. Amazing, amazing. I'm using this code because this is the second task for my own project, which I want to like. I want to have a single dashboard which I can daily look and see what's happening, so that yeah, this is very important for me. How many requests are coming, how many queues are there, how much data we are, how many requests are going. So I'll just keep adding this kind of view instead of paying for a server or any such service. I will write my own these observability scripts, and which will be scalable. Like you can just change this kind of data. But man, look at this. I'm nerding on this. Like I want to just build this and add it to my server now. So yeah, no competition. K2 thing I'm not gonna try now. Also, I have noticed like whenever any company is marketing like the kind of video they created, I was already disappointed. No one creates that kind of marketing hype until their LLM really sucks. Because if LLM is the one thing which you just have to tell maybe like 10 good people, and if it is good, those 10 people will spread it like a wildfire. You cannot hide a good model at this time. Sublime. Command N, command V, command S. Let's use it. Dashboard glm.html. Yeah, this is the dashboard for our server. Shubham, hey, hello Shubham. Platman, app is about personal growth by completing goal short-term goals. That's crazy. Platman, all the best. Do look at HabitKit. This is one of the app which I use. It's very popular. Maybe you'll get some good inspirations from this app as well. I use it. I'm a paid user of this app. This has helped me a lot. I have used like multiple widgets. Like I track my meditation, my coding days, and there is two other personal metrics which I use with HabitKit. So if you are building something on the same domain, I would say like look at their UX. They're very like the guy is it's also he's an indie hacker, Sebastian, and yeah, it has done the app has done really good, like 5 lakh downloads in Android, and similarly like 1.5 thousand ratings. And he's working on this app for a very long time. I think when was this app released? I think it's been many years now, maybe 3-4 years. Yeah, so last 30 days this app has made $30,000. So it's generating $30,000. He launched it in 2022. So he built like 2-3 apps, and this one hit it off. So it's been 3 years since he's building in this, and it's generating a really good revenue, $30,000 a month. Now that is approx, might be generating more. Gozoop, can you check if it really used Tailwind or vanilla CSS for some components? Gozoop, Gozoop, you're right. We haven't even checked what it wrote. Sublime dashboard K2. So this is what it has done. It used Tailwind CSS, but I don't know if Tailwind was set up properly. And for this one also used Tailwind. It also used the Ajax library. And yeah, everything is Tailwind. The styling is in Tailwind. But why is the UI so bad on this one? Maybe the Tailwind is not set up properly. That's what I can think of, because it was very basic vanilla HTML without any styling. Maybe what we can do is, do you want to give it another shot, K2? Maybe ask it. Oh shit. Can you fix the Tailwind as the style is not working at all in HTML? Shubham, what are you doing? Shubham, so doing designing mostly. Like I just took a poll, 5 people said do designing. I'll just run 110 super chat. What happened to all colors? All colors, 1 super chat in next 1 hour, and I will say I will play a game stream online, because I do want to do a game stream as well, just playing a game and be a noob. Now it's thinking too long. No dark mode for LLM. It's a sin. LLMs are majorly the initial user base is developers, and I think they all hate white modes, light modes. Today's songs are very quick. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 13. 13 minutes. It's thinking for too long. Okay, so let's do some designing. Okay, I'm just designing screenshots for my app, so I hope you guys are okay with that. By screenshots I mean the screenshots which I have to update on App Store. Like, there already we have created screenshots, but I just want to make them a little bit much better. Shubham, bro. I mean, I really like it, but don't you think you should get open router credits and start building things? Because last time you said you really want to do that. Thank you so much, Shubham. By the way, today is Saturday. What's happening, guys? Code with Yugi. Yo, Yugi, what's up? What's happening? What's cooking? So I'll just use this as one of the sample. Okay. The only thing which I'm interested in updating is I want to add like some hands where the hand is visible holding a phone. And I have a Rotato app. I have, right? Yes, I have a Rotato. So I bought this app long back, but now they have done some changes. iPhone 14 Pro. So this is a Rotato app. The name is a little bit weird, Rotato. Which game will you play? Oh, by the way, now I'll have to play the game. Shit, Shubham. So Shubham has caught me 2 times. One is tomorrow I have to do 2 hours of stream, and then maybe next week we'll play one game. Shubham, whenever you say, we'll do the live stream for playing a game. I'm thinking to play Red Dead Redemption, or I'm thinking to maybe download a new game from Steam. Like, I'm thinking of getting a new game, and like which I can play and which is fun. Any game which you guys are like interested in. It should not be super expensive. I'm not spending too much money on buying a new game. What? Oh, every time I forget my password. Shit, every single time I forget my password of Steam. Steam powered. Why? Okay, I'll leave it for now. Where were we? So yeah, let me know if any other game. Otherwise, I'll play Red Dead Redemption, guys. Gozoop, RDA sounds good, although it's slow paced. Exactly, like in that. So I'm losing a little bit of. By the way, someone told me in the last to last stream. Who is calling? My friend from Estonia is calling. Let me send him that I'm streaming, and he will make a funny remark on this. I'll tell him I'm streaming, bro. Join. And I'll have to close WhatsApp from here. Also this. Preview. Video is fine. Sounds. But how will we play? Shubham, it's I was thinking, okay, we can like do a game stream for 1 hour where I play with you guys as well. Let me know which game you want to play. We can play the same Krunker which we played, or any other game if you have in mind. I was thinking like I'll just play RDR, connected my Steam Deck with my computer and do like a stream. But yeah, I'm okay with that too. Harshit, do you like adventure game, like you cycle in different places, staying with locals, and too much? What does that mean, Harshit? Do you like adventure game, like you cycling different places, staying with locals? What is this game where you are cycling in different places? So I am playing. Okay, well, let me just tell you. In RDR, Red Dead Redemption, I asked someone in my like previous stream that I'm in this area where it's snowing. It's a little bit boring because there is no colors and all. He said in Act 2 you will have very good like views, and that's what happened. After I looted the train, now I'm in this field. We have camped in a good place. Now it's like GTA where I can go anywhere and explore the place. And it has become a little bit boring now because I have to do 10 different things alone. I'm just doing one thing now. Like I have to go and find something with my horse. So yeah, I lost a little bit of interest already in that. So I was thinking if I stream it, play with you guys can hint me, go here, go there, do this. Just hoping. Yeah, let's go to Rotato. Where is our video? Let's drag and drop this. Simulator. Okay, so the best thing about Rotato is I can like move the phone in any direction. It's like a 3D figure. And another thing, sometimes I just forget about this. Yeah, I can do a transparent view. And even I think what with you? Minecraft is better. We can also join in server and make a meetup. I have never played Minecraft, but I'm interested. Like, what do I have to do? Download Minecraft? Is it web-based? Is it in Steam? Do I have to purchase it? I don't know. Like, my cousins used to play Minecraft and they liked it. I don't know. I can try. Shubham, check Discord. What's up on Discord? Oh, nice. Shubham. Awesome. Yeah. Perfect. This is great. So Shubham has already purchased some credits on Open Router. Go Shubham. Now use the free LLMs. Grok free is really good. Try that and build that next app which you are planning. Sam, what are you designing? Sam, I'm just designing the new screenshots for the app. I'm thinking to... Like, I'm not in a mood because I have worked quite a lot today already. How much I have worked, like coding work is done around 3 hours in the day, and this is, I was thinking to do some light designing here, and one of the designing is like this new screenshots. I'm thinking of making something nice in screenshots only. Shubham, that looks very cool. You mean this Rotato? Also, you can do like animations and all in this, like this. I can export this full animation. This is a really good. Like, even I can record my screen and it will... I can show you guys. That is really good. Yeah, I can just drag and drop my screen, and this could be the video which I can upload on App Store. Nice. Yes, this is a good idea. Let's do that. Harshit, season letter to future game name. Season letter to future. What is this? Season letter. A letter to the future. Okay, this is the game. Season. Oh, it's a $24. I'm not interested in paying this much for a game right now. I haven't already finished my previous games. And RDR I bought like very expensive. It was, I think, 3,000 rupees or something. But yeah, nice. Rating is really good. What happens in this game though? Oh, I like the graphic. So it's a story based game. I really like the graphics. Very nice. This is in Windows only. So maybe I can download it in Steam Deck. I don't know if it's Steam Deck supported yet. It's not in Mac. It's 1100 only. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Code Udigi. Minecraft is an adventure game with many challenges. We can also play with you making house, mining, and fight dragon. And when you can use creative mode where we can build and fun part of that. Everything can join. Okay. Now I am a little bit intrigued if you guys are into Minecraft. Because I always wanted to like see how this is, because this is so popular. Oh, it's in Mac too. Download for Mac. Is it paid? Like, do I have to pay anything? Or is it free? Because if it's free, then I can download it now only. What does it buy now means? Shubham, yeah, and I'm a hardcore player. Guys, you will have to teach me a lot. I'm such a noob on these games. Like earlier, I used to play with my brothers, and they used to like shout at me because I'm a really bad gamer. Code Vidyugi to download two-way. First purchase, or there is cracked version. Launcher safe so far. Like I grinded 500 hours on one world. Cracked version is better. Use T launcher. Yes, sure. T launcher. Otherwise, how much it is? I like if I can pay. Like, so my philosophy is, if I can pay, I'm okay to pay, because well, I am a software developer. You know, pirating software feels a little bit bad. But yeah, if it is like something which is too expensive, then I'm okay to pirate as well. But if I can pay for it, I'm okay to pay. But how much it is? Because here it's saying free. Okay, so deluxe and standard, what is the difference? Deluxe is $30, which is like 2400 rupees. I will take responsibility for making a server. Free T launcher. T launcher, what is this? Does this work in Mac? I'm on Mac. I will not download, like I'll not set up Windows to play a game. Does T launcher work on Mac? Okay, what I'll do is let me write a note, otherwise I'll forget. Most probably I'll buy the edition. Set up Minecraft. Yeah, let's play Minecraft next week. Let's see if I'm enjoying it. I have set up a note here on my desk. We'll see it next week. And meanwhile, let me update this thing. Where is my app? Demo. Screen recording. 3, 2, 1. Let me just record the screen. Okay, we have a recording. I will update it on here. How come time passes sometimes so quickly? Like, I thought I just started this stream. This is crazy. How come time? So this animation I'm not liking. There are some presets. I will use a very basic preset where it's just uh, 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 uh. Nope. I'll have to learn this a little bit. I forgot. Like I used to do this rotato previously on some of my apps just for screenshots. I never did like animations, but I think for video it makes more sense. If I'm paying for it, it makes sense to use it, right? So let's learn how to animate. Let's learn to animate. What is this? So this is basically a timeline and I want to add an animation. Okay, now this, can I expand it? Yes, I can. So what I want is it to just move a little bit, maybe from here. In this position I want it to be like this, and in this position I want it to be like this. Let's see what it does. Oh yes, this is what I want. Now let's extend the timeline a little bit more, maybe to, how long is the video? Let me see how long is the video. Okay, so the video is around 20 seconds, so we'll do 20 seconds, and from here I'll add another animation somewhere here, or I'll duplicate this. Is it possible? Oh shit. Okay, no, not possible. So I'll add another animation here where it will be here only, and we'll extend this to maybe 7-8 seconds. In this position I'll just move it to here again. Let's see what happens now. It's doing the thing. It's doing the thing. So it will do this. So we can just keep doing it. What is happening? Yes, it will work. T launcher. Deluxe is for online servers. Buy standard. Bro, standard is same. Maybe on Epic you will get a sale. I will take responsibility. Buy standard. Okay, so I have to buy standard, which is how much? $30? No, $29. Deluxe is for online servers, but we will need online server, right? If I have to play with you guys. Yes, it will work. T launcher. Okay, so T launcher will work on Mac. Then I will start with T launcher. Cool. Shubham, by the way, since Sam didn't give an app, I found something. Cool. Share. Sam was not feeling well yesterday. So I'm Sam. If you buy Minecraft, you will play it 1.5 times and delete it. Okay. Yeah, then a free version it is. Thank you, Sam. See, I'm similar, but trust me, once you get that game, you play it like crazy. Maybe not, like, I don't know. It depends. For me, I'm like very picky on games. I have bought so many games, never played a lot. Like some games I play, some games I just completely skip, even if they are very popular. Fike play. Hello. Hey Fike. Welcome to the stream, man. I think you're new here. Welcome. Code with Yugi. Shubham, you use T launcher. Yeah. Kishle, bro, do you watch football? Hey Kishle, I don't, but Sam does. Sam is a pretty big football guy. Big fan of football. So yeah. But you can talk about football as well in this chat. It's fine. Sam, Shubham, I don't doubt it. But after a certain age, gaming affinity decreases quite a bit. Exactly. Like, yeah. Need to, like, I can play games. For example, if I can play Rust. Like Rust is one of my favorite game, and I can play it. But I need really good company to play that game with. And most of the time, like my brothers are there, and We are like, we play like crazy that game. And a couple of my friends, it becomes like a place where we all hang out in that universe. So Rust is something which I really like. Dota is something which I feel is requires a lot of competitiveness, and I have lost that competitiveness now. So even if I play with my brothers or my friends, I'm like so bad at it that they don't enjoy it as much, and I don't enjoy it as much when they are playing like crazy. Kodudevi Shubham, can you send request to YugiCon? I have a plan. No, we will make our own server. Okay. Freyo, bhai, Mac, you cannot use shaders. GPU optimization for shaders is very bad. I tried on Mac. So it will not work, you are saying, in Minecraft. But there is no other choice. I have only this Mac Studio. I have a PC as well, but it's in my home, and now my brother uses it. I am Hala Madrid. Sam, Manchester United, and they won, so my weekend isn't destroyed. Yay. Kirti, hello. Hey, hi Kirti. How are you doing? Okay, let's add another animation from here right till here. Let's do it. And when we are here, I want to move it to this side. This is very easy. I just want to do this kind of animation where just keep fluctuating from one location to another. Very simple, nothing fancy. Let's increase it a bit, and let's move it till end. And here I will move it to this position again. Yeah, even like 26 maybe, where it just moves to this location. So let's see. This is getting too long. Let's reduce it. Reduce this to 18 then, and we'll add another one somewhere here. What? And here. We'll move it to here again. Okay, let's see now. It's working fine. Nice. I like it. Okay, too many chats. Man. By the way, found a crazy app for today. I was testing it for a while. Mind is blown. It's free. I don't know how. Love to see that app, Sam. If you are not able to share the link, let me know. I will paste it. Especially after Eric Ten Hag, I don't know what it is, and Madrid lost to okay with that margin. Okay, what happened? But still, I'm Sam. Supported man. Harshit, play GTA Vice City. Too old to play GTA. Kirti, for Smart India Hackathon, we have to build web plus mobile app for mobile app. What should we use? React Native or Flutter? Which is easy to learn? I'm new to mobile dev. I am full stack dev. So if you already know web, I hope you know like divs and React. I don't know. If you know React, I would say go with React Native. The only problem you might face is setting it up for the first time. And I would say go for with Expo, basic Expo. It's super simple. You don't even have to look into iOS code or anything. I would say like just basic Expo would be the best bet if you are already into web dev. Starting with Flutter, again, I have like strong opinions against Flutter, so I don't know. I don't want to advise it for someone who is just starting out. Legend, yeah, I'm also Mandarin. Okay. So sent you on DMs and give Sam's app as well. So this is what Shubham has given. Shubham's app. Shared app. It's called animjs. What is it? animjs.com. What does it do? All-in-one animation engine. Oh wow, so you can create like these crazy animations using this library. Nice. This is a good find. Easing editor. Okay, so there is an editor as well. It's something similar to what was there? What was that name? GSAP. It was GSAP. So I have used GSAP earlier. It worked really good for me. So I feel animjs is something similar. Sam has shared the link. I'll add it here. Copy. Guys, please also like the stream if possible. I would really appreciate that. It's speech to text, which you can download. Check the Hindi voice in it. It's the best I have heard with time in speech. So I would say Sam's tool, Sam's app for the day. Kirti, if we build in React Native, we don't need to develop web application another time, right? Since React Native is learn once, write anywhere. Not quite right. So first of all, Expo is a bit different. Like internally it uses React Native, but it's a bit different than just basic React Native because they abstract a lot of code on top of their Expo framework. So if you use Expo to use the native React Native, which is the React Native official, you'll have to eject your code, which is called pre-build, to bring your iOS and Android folders locally, which I generally do. But for an app which you are just starting, I would highly not recommend that because that requires a lot of config changes and it might get too complicated in the starting. I would say just go with Expo, basic Expo. And another thing is, yes, they do say if you write in Expo, you can make it for web also. My experience has not been that great. It's not there yet. So if you go with Expo, they do show it like you can push it to web as well. Where is it? They show that it can be built for web. But you know how it works? There is a converter library internally. Their compiler converts it into React code. It does not work all the time perfectly. I think Flipkart also released something like React Native Web or something, which I have used earlier. React Native Web. What is it? React Native Web Flipkart. So there were a couple of companies which were pushing for React Native to React Native Web kind of conversion. For me, it did not work as flawlessly as it works with React, basic React. So I would not say. So what you can do is you can share a lot of business logic, like your API call request. Those you can share between both the apps, your web app and your mobile app. But I would not suggest to make once and use it like everywhere kind of thing. if you're building in mobile Expo or React Native, just consider it's for mobile only. For web, you'll have to again write the whole UI. But the best part is with AI, you just give your whole code base to AI and ask it to convert it, and AI will do a really good job because you use native wind in Expo. If you want to like minimize your styling, and the same native wind can be converted to tailwind by AI, super simple, and all the hierarchy can be converted. Everything remains same except for the views, which are different in Expo. Those tags are different. So yeah, let's check what Sam has shared. Free text to speech. What? This is free. I would say let's do Hindi. English US. Where is English US? To Hindi. Oh no, it's okay. Mail. Oh, okay, so we have to. Hey, welcome to this stream. I'm really happy that we are testing this tool called Free Text to Speech Online. And thanks, Sam, for sharing this tool. And this is completely free. That is amazing.
Hey, welcome to this stream. I'm really happy that we are testing this tool called Free Text to Speech Online. And thanks, Sam, for sharing this tool. And this is completely free. That is amazing.
I really like how it is not robotic. It's really good. And it's free? I mean, how? Let's do 1.1 and let's reduce the pitch a little bit.
Hey, welcome to this stream. I'm really happy that we are testing this tool called Free Text to Speech Online, and thanks Sam for sharing this tool, and this is completely free. That is amazing.
You can download it. Wow. Thanks for considering a donation to support the work. Your support can help. But how are they doing it free? I think it's some sort of a marketing, because this definitely is not a model. Okay, so we can also create an SSML. This is nice. Like if anyone wants to just use the audio from somewhere, I might start using it on a couple of things. I generally use Epidemic. No, not Epidemic. 11 Labs for local work. But this is good. This is free. Awesome. Thanks, Sam, for sharing this. Now let's change the audio to 50 and play the music again. How is it free? I'm like, wow. Oh, check Hindi one. Okay, let's do that. Let me pause this. English and Hindi.
आप इस टेक्स्ट को अपनी इच्छानुसार किसी भी टेक्स्ट से बदल सकते हैं। आप या तो इस टेक्स्ट बॉक्स में लिख सकते हैं या अपना टेक्स्ट यहां पेस्ट कर सकते हैं।
Nice. Wait, I will write something. Write a one paragraph in Hindi to my subscribers, which are watching me live right now. It should be just a thank you message to all of them for joining these streams, and where we code and wish them all the best on their own projects. Okay, let's see this. I'll be Swara.
दोस्तों, आज की लाइव स्ट्रीम में जुड़ने के लिए आप सभी का दिल से धन्यवाद। मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब हम सब साथ बैठकर कोड करते हैं, बातें करते हैं और एक दूसरे से कुछ नया सीखते हैं। आप सबके अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स पर भी ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। जो भी बना रहे हैं उस पर विश्वास रखिए और लगातार मेहनत करते रहिए। अगली स्ट्रीम में फिर मिलेंगे, तब तक के लिए हैप्पी कोडिंग।
Really cool, man. So let's decrease the pitch more. I want to have a heavy voice.
दोस्तों आज की लाइव
Oh shit, this is like horror, man. Let's make it 9.
दोस्तों आज की लाइव स्ट्रीम में जुड़ने के लिए
Too much. Let's make it this.
दोस्तों आज की लाइव स्ट्रीम में जुड़ने के लिए आप सभी का दिल से धन्यवाद। मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब हम सब साथ बैठकर कोड करते हैं, बातें करते हैं और एक दूसरे से कुछ नया सीखते हैं। आप सबके अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स पर भी ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। जो भी बना रहे हैं उस पर विश्वास रखिए और लगातार मेहनत।
This is crazy. Thank you, Sam, for sharing this. This is really nice. Like to have some fun audios created freely. This is really good. Kirti, we have to develop twice. I mean, it's not that hard. I would say just build your mobile app first and then give the project to AI to convert your UIs into React. Instead of going through that route of exporting it into web app, it might work, it might not. It might work. Like if it's a very simple project, it might work for you. I got a lot of issues when, like, even I was working for 4-5 years back. Maybe it's really good now, but back then it was so bad. Like even the scroll views were not working properly. There were some button clicks glitches. The Z index was not proper. So yeah, my export was pretty bad. So yeah, test it out. Let me know. I would suggest go with the web app, mobile app first. Try the Expo web. It's just one click. You will have your sample app ready. And if it's okay, if it's working fine, then great, awesome. You just build all the apps with just a single code base. If it doesn't, nothing to worry about. You can always copy your code of like just the UI of your web app, give it to AI, tell it, like convert it into React code. It just have to change a little bit of UI elements. That's it, like the tags, because in React Native environment there is a view tag which is the foundation view. In React it's called div. So that's the only difference. Like it just have to change the tags. Hierarchy remains exactly same. I am Harshil. Okay, legend. Doesn't we can do the same with Google Cloud? Is it free, Google Cloud? I'm Sam. That literally sounds like the phone auto message. It's very intricate. But it's really good. Like free tool like that is amazing. Export it into a movie. 1080 alpha transparency info. Continue. Download sample video. Hierarchy. Okay, where is my music? Sorry. What? So this is the video, which is good. Now I have to done. Now what I'm thinking is, let's take this as an image, download sample one. Okay, I will put it on Figma, but before that I want some Pinterest background. I'm thinking for this app I will be using what looks very premium background gradients. I like this. Where is it? Ah, copy image. Shit. No. Control Z. What? Copy image. Figma. Yes. And on top of it, we want to add this sample image, this one. So let's do it like this. Right. What's happening? Abhinav, yo, tomorrow is Sunday. Hey, Abhinav, awesome. Yeah, tomorrow is Sunday. Tomorrow I have to do like live for 2 hours, as I promised this week. Shubham made me do this. Shubham, GPT-5 consumes like a country. It ranks number 81 in global electricity. GPT-5's estimate annual electricity consumption about. It consumes way more energy than Slovenia as a country. It's the mega live, bro. 2 hour live. Credits to me and Sam. Yes. Hey, Alexander Petranov. Hi, Alexander. How are you? Welcome to the stream, man. Hope you are doing great. I downloaded one app's screenshots early morning. So I want to like test some fonts here. Shit, what's happening? Let's see. Fix old photos. So this is our text, okay? And I want to use some good crazy fonts on this one. Comica Access is like Mr. Beast fonts. I don't want to use that. It has been overused. This is too funny. Sam, can you tell me any good font? I'm so bad at font selection. I want like modern but fun kind of look. Not too professional, not too funny. Or I can just go here, iOS app screenshots. Yeah, like this. I want a font like this. Which font is this? Which font is this? Do we have something in Google Fonts like this? Gist Mono or Gist, you are welcome. They are simple minimal fonts. Oh, thank you, Gist Mono, Gist Mono. Yes, get it. Do we download? Fonts Gist TTF. Which one? Is it something similar? I think I need this one. Install. Okay. Let's try to use this now. Gist Mono. Why is it looking so? Let's see. Okay, if I give it a stroke, let's say white, red, and why is stroke not coming up? What is happening? Oh, this is 100. Okay, now if I give it a white one, this is not bold enough. I need more bold. Download. Please don't judge me on my stupidity here of checking each font like this. I want this one. Is there a way to install them at once? Otherwise I'll keep doing this. Zist. Even this is not bold enough. I need more bolder. You know what is in my mind? I'll share my image with you. I just screenshotted one. I want something like this. Let me share it here. Wait. So I want something like this. This is the inspiration for this kind of flow. I saw that you travel a lot on your Insta. Alexander, thank you, man. Thank you for joining. And yeah, I do travel. I was traveling like last 2 months, but now I'm not. I'm logged in now. New guys every day. Travel. What time is it for you? Alexander, it's 11 p.m. 15 minutes. Like it's just 15 minutes remaining for 11 p.m. It's 10:42. I'm about to go to sleep. Alexander, 10:30 at night. Okay. Sam, they are simple, minimal fonts. By the way, I watched The Big Short. Amazing movie, bro. Yeah, I have seen Big Short. Really good movie. That looks like Alpha Slab Italic. Alpha Slab Italic. Sam. This is so cool. Alpha Slab. One font. Alpha Slab. This one. Get font. Download all. But this looks like this has like crazy corners. Does it have crazy corners? It does not have crazy corners. What do I mean by crazy corners is this. Like this looks like Texas vibe. I don't know if you understand. Like these edges are open, whereas it's more flat. This image. This is more. What if I? What if I try with? Wait, SF Pro. SF Pro, which has bold, heavy, exposed black. Semi bold italic, no. Bold italic. And to be honest, this is looking too bad. This is okay. What I'm thinking is maybe easiest AI image generator. So easiest way to something like that. And maybe this font can be a little bit bigger, maybe 130. I'm not liking it. How is it so seamless here? So they have done more this thing. The stroke value is much higher, but here it's becoming too weird if we do it like this. This is not looking good at all. No, it's going on a very weird direction. I think this is better. I don't know. Any suggestions, anyone? I can put it on a little bit of an angle like this. To be honest, it's better than what we had earlier. Okay, League Gothic is perfect for you. League Gothic font. Even in this one, I feel it's more like it's not very flat. Also, Anton, what is Anton? Anton also has like it's also not very flat. I'm looking for something super flat, like this. This feels very flat to me. The font style. I think they have added each font separately. Maybe you're right. Yeah, it could be one way because that way the stroke will not be over the whole text. It will be on each individual element, and then you can space them properly. But I think it's fine. It's fine. No, I mean, you see, but what do I mean by flat is here. I don't know if I'm. So you see, this A is, let's say, if I do an A here, and this A is like longer, and this is, I don't know how to tell it. Like, I don't know if I'm able, I have no idea, but this feels more flat, even if you make it like smaller. Like even this fix, this feels very flat, very edge. Like there is no, not much, curves. Like for example, this X has very minimal, uh, what you can say, squeezes over the corners, whereas here the squeezes are very recognizable. So E has like this very small edge in it. Then this R has a small R element with it, which is squeezed in. So this is what I'm talking about. Like this F has like very small ends to it. Whereas if you see the T here, it's more like, yeah, this T is much flatter, and there are not much squeezes in so that's what I'm talking about, like when flatter. So the readability will be easier in this way, I feel. Condensed, yeah, condensed is also right word. But yeah, I like it. I don't know, what do you guys think? It's 100% better than this one though. Like this is our first image screenshot, and this is our second image screenshot. And this is not just this. I am going to make a video, and in that, or maybe I should just make a video right now. File, new project. This is fix. Let's make it vertical, which is HD. Okay. So we'll drag and drop the screen recording. No, where is it? Freaking hell, where did we export it? Fuck, where did we exported this thing? It was in downloads. Huh. I can't find it. Was it even exported? Fix video sample. Let's try again. Oh wow, we have been sitting for a while now, guys. I'll leave in like once this is exported, and let's find another good sound, fun ad sound. I remember an Apple intro ad. They used a very fun music in that. I want something fun music for my app's video, which is very fun, hype with beats. Can you suggest some videos which are in, audios in Epidemic Sound? What kind of search we can look for that style? Alexander, what is the tech stack you are most comfortable with and why? Alexander, I'm comfortable with anything with TypeScript or JavaScript right now. And that is the major tech stack which I use all over the backend, front end, mobile, web. I use as much as TypeScript as possible. What keyword when you have epidemic sound? Use combination of these. Upbeat, happy, joyful. Let's use happy and joyful here. Happy. No. No. If I do ads or promo, like it. I really like it. I might listen to it after your mobile video has been saved. Open file. It is there. It's called untitled one.move. But where it is? For some reason, these are not coming in the location which it is saying. Reveal. Oh, it is here. But it's in cache. Shit. Why is it in cache? Let's put it in Final Cut. Okay. And let's make it bigger like this. And we will be using our Figma, this background, export, put it in, yeah, maybe put it in video. Then we will again go to Final Cut, video. Where is our video? Let's put it on the background here. Ooh. I think the video is not exported in transparency layer. Transparency, but it's in black color. What have we done that it is not transparent? Movie, more. I remember I did something last time. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I have a playlist of all Apple video songs. Ode to 20 style, by the way. Ode to Odd. What? This is the name of the music? I don't want to play it. My stream will be copyrighted, but I'll listen to it. Thank you, Sam. I'll listen to it after this stream. Right now, the problem is if it is not, like if I can't get this transparency correct, then everything is, what I'm doing is useless. Okay, I can do one thing. Maybe, let's see if it allows me. Luma, Keyer, okay? And in this Luma Keyer, I have to tell, there is one thing where we can select the color. Where is it? But there are blacks in this as well. It will not work. I have to either, fuck, what? How to export it? It's already transparent. I have told it to make it a transparent, right? Background is, let's say, color. Okay, so I can just export it in green color. What's happening? Why is the color not coming? Image. Green screen image. Save image as download green screen. Okay, now can we use this? Green screen. Okay, yes. Now let's export it. Continue. Bixfix save. Let's see. By the way, today only we have done this thing. Sam, you can't export transparent videos. I suggest either export frame by frame for PNG and then combine as video in FCPX or chroma key it with green background. Yeah, I think that's what's happening. I thought we can export it with not with MP4, but I guess there is a format WebP in which transparency like alpha channel works. Because I remember I have done this before with one of my like old app. But let's see, with the Luma key, it will green screen removal will be easier. Reveal. Final cut. Put it here. Put it here. Remove this. And Luma here. What? What? What the hell? Green screen key. Shit. Wrong Luma key I was using here. Even Luma key is needed then. But it's making it weird. It's working, but I think I'll have to set the Luma key properly. Something I'm doing is wrong. It's definitely wrong because I do remove green screen easily. Green screen keyer is here. Now it is working. Even I can make it big. And let's go to video. Let's put it behind this. Full length. This. And even if I select this, we can increase this width a little bit to make it look nicer. And this video can be here. The size we can reduce it a bit. It's too less, maybe this much. Right. And we can drag drop the audio which we have just downloaded. Like this. I like it. Okay, and the final thing which we need to do is, where is Figma? Is downloading this, group it, group selection, export as PNG. Maybe we'll have it in 2x. Export as PNG here. Text. Okay, video is text. Or maybe top of everything. Yeah. We'll make it like this. In that case, this thing has to be reduced a bit. Like this. Right. So this will start from here. I like it. It's not much, but let's make it this. Even let's see. Everything is in the right position. It's here. Move it till here and move it till here. Let's export it. Export as a YouTube, Facebook, 51 MB promo. Okay, done. Perfect. We have created a promo video for app. Did you guys, do you guys can listen the audio? I'll play the audio again. Let's see. I really like the audio. Like audio is making all the difference. So this is a promo video. I'll post it on the listing if I update the app. You are up late tonight. Also, I'm late. Samir, welcome, man. I'm just leaving. I was just wrapping this up. I did not want it to leave this hanging till tomorrow. So finally, it's done. Done. Just remove everything. Delete. I don't need it. Anton is also done. This is done. K2, I'm not opening it again ever. So yeah, I guess I'm good. Thank you everyone. Too long. I'll be seeing you tomorrow again. We'll sit again for 2 hours tomorrow. And thank you everyone. Made this promo video for the app. Pretty productive 1 hour, I would say. Again, thank you so much. I'll see you again.